Hey y'all, Bobby here with Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener, and today I'm going to show you how I make mayonnaise. So the first thing we're going to do is go over the ingredient list. I have a graduated cup that I'm going to mix it in, 1 egg. We're going to use about a tablespoon of vinegar, about almost a cup of oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you like. Today I'm going to use olive oil. A 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, and a pinch of pepper to taste. Also going to use my immersion blender, which I'm really excited to try. So here we go. Now you can tweak this a million different ways. You can put sriracha, avocado, pepper, garlic. You can even put sesame oil if you want to do an Asian inspired dish. You can jazz it up any way you like to make it fit your taste. So the first thing we're going to do is crack our egg. Next we're going to add about a 1/4 tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt. It's best to start with a little. You can always add more, but you just can't take any away. Next we're going to add a tablespoon of regular distilled vinegar. I think this is like 5%, something like that. Then we're going to add a pinch of pepper to taste. Next we're going to add oil, not quite up to the 1 cup mark. And before we start blending, I just want to remind you that we're going to start on the bottom and we're going to blend for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you're going to start working your way up and then back down, up and down, till you get it all blended nice and smooth. Okay, so there you have it. It's pretty thick. You could use less oil if you wanted to. Like I said, you have to work with it and make it the way that works for you. I haven't done this a whole lot of times. I know it's good, but I might use a little bit less oil next time. But it's nice and thick. And that tastes pretty good too. So the flavors are there. Maybe just use a little bit less oil, but otherwise, that's how you make mayonnaise right there. Okay, it's also important to note that all of the ingredients that were used at room temperature, and this mayonnaise should keep for 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator covered. Alright guys, well there you have it. That's how I make mayonnaise. And I'm going to tell you, you're going to have to make it a few times before you get your recipe just right for you. But in the long run, it's healthier, it's fresher, and it's better for you. And a heck of a lot cheaper. Well guys, I really appreciate you coming by and spending a little time with me. I hope that you'll hit that like button, go ahead and subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video comes out. Also, if you already have a mayonnaise recipe, or if you make this mayonnaise and add some flavors to it that you really like, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy gardening and happy cooking.